തസ്മൈ ശ്രീ ഗുരുമൂർത്തേ നമൈദം നാരായണായന്വകം. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. Greetings to all the respected Gurudev devotees sitting the stage and in the audience. Best wishes for the 26th Billava family Dubai annual celebration. The reason for all the goodness of the Billava Ayurvedic community in the idea and blessing of Sri Narayana Gurudev. I have come here as a representative of Shivagiri Ashramam in London. Sri Narayana Gurudev called the first all-interfaith international conference in Asia 1924, 100 years ago in the Alua Advaita Ashramam. In constitution of the all-interfaith parliament held in Vatican City in other days, Shivagiri Ashramam UK and the Billava Global Association are organizing in the All Interfaith Conference Centenary Celebration, Business Meet and Business Achievement Award in London on 2025 May 2 and 3 days. In the UAE and India event coordination in the celebration by the respected our Billava senior member Sri Shodan Prasad. Everyone, the Billava family is welcome to this great gathering in London in the name of Guru. May Guru Dharma prevail, and I wish Guru Karuna and everyone salvation the Mahaguru. On this occasion, I pay tribute to their soulmate, our brother and close friend of Shivagiri Math, Swargiya Sri J.C. Suvarna, former president of the Billava Association and chairman of a former Khadu Cooperative Bank, and Mrs. Leelavati Suvarna, and the Kannada superstar Puni Rajkumar, who did great good for the community on our Guru lineage. Namaskaram. The London Interfaith Conference, the souvenir, the first model book of releasing handover to Billava Dubai Billava family present Sri Dilip Kumar.
Isang mini, isang tayo matulog por la patria.